Hello everyone, this is Pipli. Recently, I have thought of an idea that I'll be starting off with a series which will be named as Positivity with Pipli. My name is Pipli Roy Chaudhary, and hence the name. This series will cover certain topics which I want to talk about, and also I have asked many of you on Instagram that if you have anything on mind, anything on which I can talk, then you can also tell me about those topics. I thought of doing this because I thought that already there are many YouTubers and Instagrammers who are already doing on different kind of topics, but I thought that I should say something and tell something about this topic from my experience. So one thing that I should and I want to tell is that I am no professional, neither am I a counselor. I am a sociology student. I have done my graduation from St. Xavier's College, and then I have done my master's and MPhil from Jadavpur University. So I thought that I'll today talk about a topic which many of you suggested and DM'd me that I should talk about, which is anger management. I myself has gone through different problems with my anger because I'm not a very patient kind of a person. I'm very impatient, and anger is one of my problems as well. And recently I have tried out few things which have actually helped me to control my anger. So I thought that I should also help you guys by giving you some tips regarding how to control your anger so that the anger doesn't control you. So hope this will be helpful for all of you, and if you have any feedback, then please let me know in the comment section, and also you can talk to me via DMs or anything on Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. I basically want to spread awareness and positivity through my platform, and hence I thought of doing this series. So sometimes such situations occur in our life when you don't agree with a certain situation or certain conversation, and anger comes up, and sometimes it tries to control you and makes the situation even worse. So I have myself gone through certain phases when I couldn't control my anger and thought that to react instantly is the only solution that's available, but that's not the only solution. So I have myself come up with certain tips and tricks which has helped me. So there may be various reasons for which you are angry at a person or at a situation or at a decision or anything. So it may be personal, it may be professional, anything. Anger is something which is very normal, but when things go out of hand and the situation gets out of control, and you can't control your anger, then you realize that yes, you need help. I seriously couldn't control my anger previously, but nowadays by taking some measures and doing some steps, I have controlled my anger to a great extent. I will be telling you some steps or ways in which you can control anger, and this is not professional, this is from my experience what I do, and I thought of sharing that with you. So please keep that in mind. And yeah, so the first thing that I do is whenever I feel angry, I just stop talking, because I know that if I say anything else, then I can hurl some bad words to the other person, or I can say something very bad which will make the situation even worse. Thus I try to be very calm at that point of time. I know it's very difficult, but I try to calm myself down, and I try not to say any word. Being calm at that point of time is very difficult. I know that because I have gone through these phases. So I know that when I'm angry, I am angry, I can't control myself, but I try to control my anger, and I try to stay silent and for a few minutes. So And I have actually observed that if I stay silent for a few minutes, then my anger subsides, and then I get better grasp on the situation. So when I get a better grasp on the situation, I understand that why am I angry and how I should react. Um, so this is how I control my anger at that point, at that situation. The next step is that I try to maintain a diary. So this thing I have recently developed, which is that I have started maintaining a diary where I write down my thoughts, and immediately after I calm myself down, and when the situation is all over, I try to write down my thoughts as to why I became angry, what was the situation that led me to become so angry, and stuff. And that has actually helped me in two ways. Number one, I can understand my feelings better, and how I understand my feelings better, by reading it later on and going into depth and understanding the situation more. And number two is that I can avoid hurting the other person in front of me, and not by engaging in any conversation. The third thing that I do is that I try to think of what went wrong. So when a situation goes out of control, you have to know where is the problem. So in order to do so, you have to think more, you have to think what went wrong. And what I do is that I try to think of the problem from the other person's point of view, and try to think that what went wrong. So that makes me understand the whole situation even better, because I can understand the situation from the other person's point of view. And the fourth thing, which is the most important thing according to me, and I never thought that I will be saying this, is that I meditate. Meditation, I heard from a lot of people that meditation is very important. You should meditate for at least half an hour and so in the morning. But I never thought that it's very important for me, but it has actually helped me. I started meditating for the past 2 months in the morning for half an hour, and I have actually noticed changes. I meditate in the morning. It calms me down, and it makes my day even better. Everything that I do in the day, I do very peacefully. I do with my mind sorted. I do with a lot of energy and positivity. So positivity is something which is very much required in our day-to-day life, and why I have started this series is that I want to spread awareness and positivity through my platform. So that's it for today. And if you want to say anything to me, if you want to have any advice, or you want to give me any advice, then please DM me or write me an email or contact me, and please tell me how you liked it. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.